Hi, I'm Tim from Bosch Home Appliances. If you're looking to buy a new washing machine, there are a few different types to consider. The right choice will depend on your laundry space, household size, washing habits and fabric care requirements. In this video, we'll take a look at top loaders, washer-dryer combos and front loaders to help you decide what might work best for your home. Let's start with top loaders. A top loader opens from the top of the appliance, a convenient feature as you don't need to bend down to load or unload the machine. However, as the lid opens upwards, there will need to be space above the machine, so there is no option for a dryer to be stacked above. Top loaders also generally have a lower water and energy efficiency than front loaders. Some top loaders also use a center agitator to move clothes through the wash. While this can help create strong wash movement, it is less gentle on fabrics. Next are washer-dryer combos. A washer-dryer combo combines washing and drying in the one appliance. This appliance opens from the front and can be useful if you have limited space or don't have room for both a separate washer and dryer. With washer-dryer combos, the wash and dry maximum capacities can differ, so a full wash load may need to be reduced before drying. Drying times can also be longer compared to using a separate dryer. Then there are front loaders, which is the main type Bosch offer across our washing machine range. A front loader opens from the front of the appliance and is a popular choice for many households. Front loaders are known for optimum wash performance, gentle fabric care, and efficient water and energy use. Because they don't use a central agitator, front loaders use the movement of the drum to lift and tumble clothes through the water. This helps clean effectively while staying gentle on fabrics. Front loaders are also a great option if you want to make the most of your laundry space. They can often be installed under a bench top or stacked with a compatible dryer using an approved stacking kit. Bosch front-loading washing machines offer features designed to make laundry even easier. Depending on the model, these include automatic dosing, iron assist, specialised programs, smart connectivity, and reload, which allows you to add forgotten items during selected stages of the cycle. We hope this gives you a clearer understanding of the different washing machine types available and some of the key things to consider before making your decision. To explore the Bosch washing machine range and find the model that best suits your home, head to our website.